Navy's Fifth Fleet's unmanned tech integration, witness to the Navy's technological leap forward. The Navy's Fifth Fleet successfully integrated 12 varied unmanned platforms during regular patrols near the Strait of Hormuz. Vice Admiral Brad Cooper emphasized that incorporating these new multi-domain unmanned systems improves maritime awareness and boosts deterrence in the area. While specifics on the platforms used weren't detailed, the operations involved 7 unique task forces. The primary objective was to monitor the activities of Iranian Navy and the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps Navy over multiple days. Captain Joe Baggett highlighted that while UAVs and UUVs have been operational in the region for some time, the addition and subsequent integration of USVs represent the future path for fleet operations. The Fifth Fleet, based in Bahrain, oversees the operations of Navy's Task Force 59, which was set up around 2 years ago with a focus on unmanned tech and AI. The Navy has recently been emphasizing the integration of these unmanned technologies into their operations. The push to integrate these systems became more urgent after both Navy Secretary Carlos del Toro and then Chief of Naval Operations Admiral Michael Gilday endorsed the tech as ready to scale. Beyond the Middle East, the Navy has actively engaged in exercises with unmanned vessels in the Fourth Fleet, established a new Disruptive Capabilities Office, and introduced 10 Saildrone USVs in the Operation Windward Stack initiative. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI plus drones plus military, don't forget to subscribe.